Welcome back. Let us continue. First question. What is the place value of 5 in the number 3254710? So to find out the place value, you have to multiply the digit with the value of its position. It means the value of its position is 10,000. That is 5 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. This is equal to 50,000. The answer is option C, 50,000. This is the place value. Next question. The face value of 8 in the number is 458926. So the face value of a number is the same number. So our answer is option A, 8. So the face value of 8 is 8 in this number and the place value is 8 into 1000, that is 8000. So this is the place value and this is the face value. Okay. Next question. The sum of the greatest and smallest number of 5 digits is. Okay. So the greatest 5 digit is greatest 5 digit. This is 5 nines. And the smallest 5 digit is 1 followed by 4 zeros. So the sum is equal to 9 plus 1, 10. That is 109,999. Option C. Next question. The number pi is, this is an irrational number because it is a non-recurring decimal. So if you see pi, this will be equal to 3.14159. It keeps going on without any repetition. So it is a non-recurring decimal, not option B. So the answer is option D, rational number. In fact, we use 22 by 7 in place of pi as an approximation, not the exact value. This is approximate. In fact, the value of 22 by 7 will be equal to 3.142857 and again repeats 142857. So this pattern repeats again. So this is a recurring decimal. Actually, the number pi is a non-recurring decimal and the value is 3.159 and it keeps going on. So the answer is option D, an irrational number. Next question. If x is greater than 0 and less than 1, which of the following is greatest? So it means x is greater than 0 and less than 1. When we take inverse, the sign gets changed. That is 1 by 0 is greater than 1 by x is greater than 1 by 1. 1 by 0 is nothing but infinity. Therefore, we can write in this form. 1 is less than 1 by x, which is less than infinity. So 1 by x lies somewhere between 1 and infinity. Therefore, 1 by x square is greater than 1 by x. Any number above 1 will have a square which will be greater than the number. Therefore, 1 by x square will be greater than 1 by x and which again will be greater than x, which again will be greater than x square. Here this condition is satisfied only if x is between 0 to 1. Therefore, the greatest among the given option is option D, which is 1 by x square. Okay, we shall continue in the next lecture. Thank you.